Hello everyone, welcome back again Spateria channel. In this video we discuss how to change country or region in Windows 10. The country or region location in Windows 10 is vital because it allows the Windows Store to display apps and their prices for the selected location or country. The country or region location is referred to as geographic location in Windows 10. For some reason, if you want to change your default country or region in Windows 10, then it's entirely possible using the Settings app. Let's start. Click Start and click Setting. Select Time and Language. Select Region. And select a country or region here. This video how to change country or region in Windows 10. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for updated tutorials from Spateria channel.